Part B is verify that both L and M are in the plane given by this equation. It means that the R1 and R2 satisfy this equation. So you really do this dot product between R1 and 0 to minus 1. You really do it, okay, and then you find it out. Do it, okay, first one 0, so 2 plus 3s times 2, it means it's 4 plus 6s. Next one minus 1, so it's plus 3 minus 6s, and you find out the value is 7, so it is verified. But the first one, do it for the same thing, okay, R2 dot the vector to 0 to negative 1, the first one 0 and then negative, and then 2 times 9 is 18, 18 plus 2t, and then minus 11 minus 2t, bingo, also 7. So you verify that both L and N are on the plane, which means that satisfying this equation. Well done.